Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Optimizely experiments for faster product validation, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Optimizely experiments for faster product validation, log in to your Optimizely account. Navigate to the project's dashboard and select the project corresponding to your experiment. Locate the experiment you wish to update and click on it to enter the experiment details. Review the current experiment settings to identify any areas for improvement. Consider the experiment goals and ensure they are aligned with your validation needs. Optimize the experiment's target audience by refining the segmentation. Adjust the sample size and experiment duration to ensure statistically significant results. In the experiment settings, evaluate and update your success metrics to better measure outcomes. Incorporate any user feedback or insights gathered from previous tests. If applicable, update the variant designs to enhance user engagement. Test your updates in the Optimizely preview mode to ensure everything functions as expected. Make note of any potential issues that arise during testing and address them promptly. Once satisfied with the updates, publish the changes to your live environment. Monitor the performance of the updated experiment closely after launch. Collect and analyze data regularly to validate the results against your goals. Be ready to iterate on the experiment based on the new findings for continuous improvement. Document your changes and results for future reference and learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.